Innodisk marketing team. We're now at Taichung participating in the 2023 D FORUM held by Digitimes. We'll have a speech session during this event talking about the embedded vision AI solutions. The speech will be presented by our product manager of FPGA Solutions, James Chen. We'll also have the display area at the venue, demoing the FPGA workplace safety detection and the latest embedded solutions including USB and MP camera modules, our DDR5 high-performance DRAM solutions, PCIe flash storage tailor-made for edge application, and lastly, embedded peripherals including the out-of-band solutions, allowing the remote management when the system crashes or completely offline. If you're interested in our AI solutions to our industrial storage, feel free to contact us through our website or send us an inquiry. We'll provide you a customized AI solution that fits your application. Thank you.